Hello everyone, if you're stuck with a message that says, official WhatsApp required when trying to log in, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, go to your phone's home screen. Find the WhatsApp icon and hold your finger on it for a second or two. A menu should appear. From that menu, tap on App Info. Inside the App Info screen, scroll down and tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, go back and try opening WhatsApp again. In most cases, this will fix the problem right away. But if the issue is still there, don't worry. Let's try the next method. Go back to the App Info screen. Now tap on Uninstall. When you see the pop-up, make sure to select Keep App Data. This will make sure your chats and settings stay safe. Then tap OK to confirm. Next, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for WhatsApp and install it again from the official page. Once the installation is done, open WhatsApp and check if the issue is fixed. Most of the time, this will solve the login problem. There is one more thing you can do to make sure this doesn't happen again. Open the Play Store and go to the WhatsApp page. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, make sure Enable Auto Update is checked. This will keep your WhatsApp updated with the latest version, which helps avoid bugs like this in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching.